DJT Stock and analysis and predictions for Monday. Is it a buy? I'm answering all this in this short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. When I'm looking at Trump media, not necessarily a buy, like right off the rip. I mean, I'm definitely saying this not because I have anything against DJT, it's just the reality behind it, because we have been definitely delivering lower for these past few weeks. And it's been definitely kind of starting to, I mean, I saw some movements upside here, but that means nothing. You know, it doesn't necessarily mean that I'm just gonna randomly start buying or whatnot. The only case in which I would take this thing even higher is if I start seeing double breaks here. If I see those double breaks, then I'm actually fine to go. I mean, other than that, it's just me waiting on the daily chart to actually get these double breaks. And if I don't get them, then I guess I'm gonna still keep waiting. You know, there's no reason to actually try and force trade here. So that's the way that I'm looking at DJT. Only if it gives me the bullish momentum, only then I'm taking it higher. I mean, this is just something that's worked for me, that I've tested 26,000 videos. So if you want to learn the strategy, check the first link in the comments. All reviews are 5 stars.